My name is Robyn and this is my closet. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you for your loyalty. So today I have a bless box. It seems like I get this box like all the time, and I'm so loving it because the months must go by fast for me to think I'm getting it all the time. So I hope you guys are having a great fall. I watch a lot of YouTubers and they are getting their Halloween items ready to go. I've seen some that have done a tour of their home with all their Halloween stuff. So creative. I wish I could do that. So anyway, Bless Box is $29.95 plus shipping. So it comes out to about $35.36. It is monthly, and it's such a great lifestyle box. You open it up, and it's got Enjoy It Babe with the sticker. And they're always putting in full-size products that you can actually use. So let's get into it. Oh my gosh. So there is the usual cards. They put like discounts that you can get from different products. This looks like what's in the box, so I'm not going to peek. And this is a code. It's an entire skincare set for free. Sign up to get your 1-month trial. Way more than moisturizer. So there's a little card for that. I'm sure we'll find out what it is. And then another little card. But what I see on top, of course, is always my favorite, food. There's a whole lot of salted dark chocolate. No added sugar, gluten-free, dairy-free. 10 grams. Oop. Now that looks good. The next thing is Super Ingredients Made Simple. Zint Cocoa Raw Organic Powder. Don't know what it is. The purest form of chocolate. Now I know what it is. I don't know what you're supposed to do with it, but it's got superfood recipes at their website. So you must use it for baking and boost mood, energy. Okay, so the next thing in my box is Super Ingredients Made Simple Zint Cocoa Raw Organic Powder. And there is a website that you can go to for recipes on how to use this. So it's organic, brings chocolate back to its wholesome essence. So this is super nice, and I can't wait to try it. The next thing in the box is by Curology, and it's the moisturizer. And it feels very light. I'm afraid, I don't know what it is, I'll spill it all over. So it's a little pump bottle. I'll try some on my hands. And it's very light. Doesn't really have a smell, but it feels really good. Okay, the next thing in here is NIU Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. And who doesn't love a sugar lip? Let's see if it doesn't really have that much of a smell, but a great size to put in your purse. Next product is some weird shape thing. Oh, it's an Invisibobble, but I don't know what it is. And you see, it's like a long Invisibobble. It looks like it's an Invisibobble headband. I'm not going to open it because this might be something that I send to my daughter, but I'll look up more information. What it is it's a 2-in-1 headband and hair ring. No slip, controls unruly hair, ideal for active lifestyle, designed in Germany. My daughter's going to love this. So, that's that one. Just fun little products. The next thing is by Fido Paris, and it is Rich Moisturizing Oil. What a nice size bottle. And I can't read anything that's on the back, so when I take out the brochure, I will go into more detail. The next thing looks maybe like a mask. I can't read it. 6-in-1, all-in-one hair care. Oh, it's a hair mask. After washing your hair, remove excess water with a towel. Gather your hair to the top of your head and wrap the hair pack around your head, covering your hair completely. Remove the paper from the back of the sticker, and then I guess there's a little sticker so you can hold it on your hair, and you keep it on for 10 or 15 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with warm water. These hair masks are awesome, so I'm glad they sent us one of those. The next thing obviously is this a sample. It's by Amazing Cosmetics, and it's just so tiny I don't even know what it is. We'll find out though. It's probably a moisturizer or something. Oh my God. And the next thing is this hat. I used to put these hats on my daughter all the time. But look at this hat. Okay, I'm gonna mess up my hair. But it's perfect now because it's raining here in Washington. But what an adorable hat. This is such a great box. I mean, there are items in here that you know you're not going to go out and buy. And the last thing in the box is I. Hansen Beauty the Natural Way, and they're sheet masks. And there's the box. So, trying to figure out, I can't smell it. I'm trying to figure out how many sheet masks are in here, but you know I'm a maskaholic. It doesn't say, but maybe it will say in the brochure. So I got 1, 2, and then of course I got my little samples of goodies, and my hat, and my hair mask, and this thing, and an oil, and my little sample of that. So let's find out what everything is and how much it costs. I want to know how many of you YouTubers drop things, or even a non-YouTuber, when you open up a box, you drop something. It happens at every box, I swear. So, let's get into it. The Curology, this is the one where they're offering a free set if you sign up for them. And so I'm thinking this might be a sample size, not sure, but It starts at $19.95. That cute little hat, the custom bucket hat, retails for $15. It says the 90s are back, y'all. I'm loving this throwback trend. It's perfect summer hat, and I'm loving the color. Okay, the next one is the Zint Cocoa Powder. It retails for $10.99. Superfoods are the secret to a well-rounded, health-conscious diet. Packed with amazing antioxidants, this is an all-natural beauty food that helps boost youthful skin and hair, mood, energy, and healthy. But I have to figure out how to use it without just taking it all out of the bag. And then here's that multi-band. It retails for $9 by Invisibobble. So that's cute. And then the antioxidant sheet masks retail for $20.98. Don't know how many are in here. That little bottle that I couldn't read is a concealer. Excuse me. A concealer in medium beige. And I guess a full size would be $9.33. So I will try it. The sugar lip polish and pina colada is $8. The salted dark chocolate is $2.99. So that's everything that was in the box. This is a woman-owned company. Suzanne is the name of the owner. They have the best customer service, and I said they put in such really nice different product lifestyle. Let's try this again. Different lifestyle products. I think I had too much coffee. I am drinking out of my favorite coffee cup. So please leave comments below. Let me know what you thought of this box. If it's something that you like. Of course, I have the link below. If you want to check it out, just to check out what these different products are, you can do that as well. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.